Hi, I'm Rosa Provost, a customer service representative here at Bank Gloucester. Today, we are going to go over how to use Money Management, a budgeting tool feature on our online banking. First, you should log into your online banking on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. For smartphone users, once logged in, select More at the menu displayed at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Money Management. If you are on our web version, you will simply select Money Management from the menu displayed at the top of the page. Once you're on Money Management, you should select the blue button that says Add an Account if you have accounts at other financial institutions. Once you select the institution you are looking for, hit the Next button in order to get signed in. Once you are connected to your external accounts, you can view all of your accounts for budgeting all in one place. From here, there are multiple ways you can select to look at your financial profile. The first way is to select Transactions from the Money Management menu. This will display all of the credits and debits to your accounts by date. The second way is to select Spending from the menu. This will bring up a pie chart that shows you how and what your money is spent on. If you select Income on this screen, it will bring up a pie chart that will show you what your income is. The third way to view your financial profile is similar to the second. It simply breaks down your spending by where and what it goes to, such as education, dining, bills and utilities, and shopping. The more money spent on something, the bigger the circle. Let's take a quick break and continue to the next video in this series for more information on navigating money management.